Today, I'm answering the question that you guys have all been wondering. Can you beat Super Mario Bros. Without using a controller? No Joy-Cons, no keyboards, no buttons, just me. So if I'm gonna beat Super Mario Bros. Without a controller, there's a few things that might come to mind that might make you think that this is impossible. First, how do you even start the game? Usually to start the game, you have to press start on a controller. So if we can't press start, there's no way to begin the game. Second, even if I can somehow get into the game, how would it even know what I'm doing? And third, and probably most important, how will Mario actually move if there's no device giving input to the game? Well, this might sound complicated, but I think I can solve all of these problems. Let's talk about machine learning. Now, machine learning might sound a little bit complicated, like it's something that only scientists use, but there's actually a lot of really cool and easy to use technologies that we can use in this project to power Mario without ever touching a button or controller. The first technology is called OpenCV. Think of it like a middleman between me and the computer. It allows me to write code to open up my webcam, grab each frame of the video, and feed that camera data straight into the code so that the program can literally see anything that my camera sees. The next technology we're using is called MediaPipe. This is where the real magic starts. MediaPipe takes that video feed and tracks different parts of my body, my shoulders, arms, wrists, and even the tilt of my chest. And it turns all of that into precise coordinates that say exactly where each part of my body is on the screen. And once we have those coordinates, we can start making rules in the program. For example, when the line of my chest moves up, that means jump. When I lean left, that means move left. Finally, there's PY input. This is the final piece of the puzzle that brings everything together. It takes those rules that I just mentioned and presses the appropriate virtual key. So when MediaPipe detects that I lean left, PY input presses a virtual left arrow key on my computer instantly, as if I were holding a real controller or keyboard. So as a quick recap, OpenCV opens the camera, MediaPipe tracks my body, and PY input turns that movement into real key presses. Now this sounds pretty straightforward on the surface, but getting all these technologies to work smoothly together is a little harder than it seems. And this is where things kind of started to get messy. Okay, I just coded the first little bit of the program and it's actually pretty sick. So this is the script right here, and it's like 350 lines of code, but with a lot of comments, so it's probably a little bit less than that. But watch this. All right, yep, so look at this. You can see here, it's asking for VS Code would like access to my camera. I'm gonna press allow. Error, cannot find webcam. Bruh. Okay, I swear this was just working like 5 minutes ago. I am going to see why it's not detecting my camera anymore. Okay, so I got a little help from cursor and I think it's working now. So if I just put in right here and okay, yep, look at this, look at this. All right, I'm gonna make this bigger. You see how there's like these like little lines on my face right here? That is good. That means that the computer vision is working and it's recognizing my face. Let me zoom in. So can you see how there's these like lines that follow my arms and stuff right here? Like this is pretty sick, right? So like I said, we can then use the position of these different measurements of my body and then we can program that to have an input on the computer. And so in theory, this should work where if I zoom out now, when I jump, it should put a space in the terminal right here. So I'm gonna jump. Oh no, nothing happened. Let me try to jump again. No. Okay, let me try, if I lean left, if I lean right. Okay, so we fixed one problem. We got another one now. Let's go back to the drawing board and let's see if I can fix this. Okay, I just made some updates. Let's see if this is gonna work now. Okay, yep, it's working now. Now let's do what we were doing before. So I am going to move this to the bottom. Okay, so this is really cool. So you can see on the bottom part of my laptop right here that when I lean left, you can see my shoulder skeleton moves left. And then in the terminal, it says movement left, and it detects that my body's leaning left. When I move right, it does the same thing where it says movement right. And then when I jump, you have to look really quickly because I can't jump very high, but the movement will say jump and jumping true every time that I jump there in my terminal. So this means now that our script is actually working and we can actually start playing the game. Okay, so here we are back in the code. Everything should be ready to go. The computer vision was working and we should be able to beat Mario now. Okay, so let me just start the script. I'm just gonna press enter. Okay, so now you should be able to see me on the corner of your screen along with what the computer vision model is seeing. And this is all running now. So now what we can do is that we can go right here to our Mario game, and supposedly now this is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. I lean right and it works. It works. It works. Oh my gosh, it works. Okay, so I'm leaning right. It sees me. See if I can get this power up. Oh no, that's a coin. Let's lean left. Okay, oh, I ran off the screen. Lean right, jump. Okay, get this. Okay, so I got the power up. That gives me a little bit of leeway. Okay, it's not quite getting me. Running this way, jump. Okay, I gotta keep leaning while I jump. That's the hard part. Jump. Nice. Jump. Okay, I'm just gonna kill this Goomba. Jump. Boom. Lean right. Jump. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just gonna wait for the Goomba to come to me. I'm gonna jump. There we go. Jump. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, looks like there's a big hole. Jump. Let's go. Okay, let's see if we can get this power up here. Let's go right.
Huh?
What happened? I just died. Round 2. Here we go. Let's jump. What? I didn't touch it. All right, that's my first game over. That's fine. Let's get this power up. We need this thing. Come on, Mario, go! 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 Okay, keep going. Keep going. No! Okay, that's the furthest I've made it, so that's good. Nice. Jump, 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 Mario. All right, let's go kill these guys. Come on. We're not waiting. Jump. Why'd I do that? Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just stay leaning. Let's just lean. Let's just lean. Let's just lean. Let's just lean. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're good. We're good. Jump. Jump. Stay right. No, I did. Jump. 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 Why am I dumb? Jump. Jump. Ah, I did that again. Chill here. Let's chill here. I need to move. I need to move. I'm getting the feel for it. I'm getting better. Let's try to get up here. Okay, I'm just jumping. Jump. There we go. Let's freaking go. What? I can't jump on that thing? If I get it on this run, you have to subscribe. Jump. Oh, okay. That's on me. I guess you have to unsubscribe if you're already subscribed. Mario, I'm leaning so much. Come on. Thank you, bro. Let's see if I can jump up here. Oh, that's huge. That's huge. I did not try to do that. Just go to the right. Just a little bit. Just go. How did I get up here? Now they're back. Come on. Jump. No. 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 Nice. Jump. All right, whatever. We can't do that part. Let's go. Let's go. Jump. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, 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 no. Nice. That is huge. That is huge. Go. Just go. Just go. Come on. Come on. We never made it this far. Come on. Nice. Oh my gosh. This is going to suck. This is going to suck. Just one. No, 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 no. I knew that was going to happen. Here we go. No, 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 no. Jump. We are now at 30 minutes of doing this stupid challenge. It's not stupid. I'm making myself do this. It's kind of fun. I'm not going to lie. No! I am so far over. Come on. All right, this is the hard part. Go, 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 go. No! It took me like 10 minutes to get back to that spot. I need like just a little bit. I'm not sure if that part's possible with how I wrote the code. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not sure if I can just jump and go over 1 or 2. Like, it does a long jump, like almost every time. Right here, right here. Oh, that's ginormously good. Okay, this could be the one. This could be the one. Come on. Because now I can go like that. No, 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 no. It was possible. It was possible. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is great. This is where it gets so tough. Like, that could have been it if I would have jumped the right way. Oh, okay. Let's chill. Let's wait for this Goomba. Let's do this. Come on. Jump. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I actually did it. Oh my gosh. Look at my pit stains. How are my pit stains? Those are so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. So after 47 minutes, I think I'm going to end the video right there. I hope you had a fun time watching this video. I had a really fun time making this video. I like doing weird, fun stuff like this to apply different coding principles that I've learned over the years. So if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe and leave a comment about what other things you think it would be cool for me to do. And come on, I beat that level. And more importantly, if you want to try this, I will leave a link below to the code so that you can do this on your computer. And the current time to beat is 47 minutes and 32 seconds just for level 1. All right, I think that's it. Bye.